Hello guys and welcome to this 2025 tutorial for Opus Clip for beginners. If you're a creator in 2025, you know the reality. Long form content builds loyalty, but short form content builds reach. You need to be on TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. But taking a 1 hour podcast or video and manually chopping it into 10 viral clips, that takes hours of work and editing. This is where Opus Clip comes into play. This is considered the best AI repurposing tool on the market. In 2025, they launched their massive update, the Clip Anything model. Unlike the old days where these tools only work for podcasts, Opus now can handle blogs, gaming streams, and dynamic videos with multiple speakers. It doesn't just cut, it analyzes sentiment, frames the action, and even adds B-roll for you. So today I'm just gonna give you like a master class on how to use these Opus clips to the max. If you want to follow along with me, I have dropped a link in the description to start a free trial. So open that up in a new tab and let's dive into the screen. Once you log in, you're gonna see this dashboard. It's clean and simple. So to start, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go here to this little, box. Now you have two different options, guys. You can upload like a raw file, like in, MP4, directly from your computer. And this is what I actually do a lot of the time. I just paste the link in here, okay? And this can be like a YouTube link or a Rumble link, okay? You can also upload a file from Google Drive, but the most common option for me and for most of you is going to be just to, drop a link in here, okay? Which I'm gonna do right now. Now, guys, let's talk about the options and the different settings, okay? First of all, you can see the credit usage in here that this video is gonna take you. This is because, each minute of video is gonna consume 1 credit. So because this video is about 23 minutes, it's gonna consume 23 credits. You can see your credit count in the top right corner, okay? And you can even buy more credits. Now let's talk about the different settings, okay? I'm gonna select Clip Anything as the model because it's the best model and it's the smartest. In the clip length, I'm gonna select 30 to 60 seconds, okay? By default, it's gonna be set to auto, which is fine. But if you strictly want YouTube source, I recommend setting it to from 30 to 60 seconds. So you don't get clips that are too long for the algorithm. Now you can enable or disable auto hook. This is gonna add like a little text hook to the top 10 clips, which is gonna be like, the main focus of the video. And the most important setting, guys, is actually the genre, okay? If you have a video, for example, that is about marketing, what you can do is you can try to find a suitable genre in here, or about sports or gaming or something like that. But you can also give the AI specific prompting to find, specific moments from that video, okay? I'm gonna keep this blank because the AI usually does a pretty good job, okay? Finally, the subtitles type. You can have different, like many different types of subtitles depending on what you like. One very popular one is the Alex Hormozy one, but you have so many different more. Okay, so you can just try your own. I recommend you be original with this ones, okay? So yeah, I'm just gonna go to get clips in one click now. And what's gonna happen, guys, is that the AI is gonna start processing. Okay, so this is the estimated time arrival. It's 6 minutes now, for 23 minutes video. It's not bad at all, okay? This is just gonna be an estimate, but it doesn't take too long. Okay, guys, it's been 5 minutes, so let's click on it. Okay, so Opus Clip has analyzed our video and generated 25 clips, okay? Ranked by what they call the virality score. So this is the screen number in here. For example, a 99 means that the AI thinks this has the highest potential to go viral based on the hook, the pacing, and current social trends. My honest advice is that, use this as a guide, not as a rule, okay? Because sometimes a 75 score resonates better with your specific audience. So always watch the first 3 to 5 seconds of the clip to see, how good it is. So I'm just gonna watch this first clip. This is good for two reasons, okay? You have active speaker detection because if the camera changes from one speaker to the other, the clip is gonna change as well, which is just good, okay? It's not just like a static crop, it's gonna track the face. Also, you have your hook, as you can see in here, okay, this little text box. So the clip is gonna start right in the middle of an interesting sentence. There's no welcome to the podcast fluff. It gets straight to the point. You can even see the script in here, okay? Which you can analyze. Okay, let's actually edit this. Oh, even this is pretty perfect to me. Let's see if we can make it even better by clicking on Edit Clip. First of all, guys, you have text-based editing. If the speaker stumbles or says something boring, you don't need to fiddle with a timeline. You can just highlight the specific text that you want to remove, and that's going to remove all of that same part of the video. For example, I can select this little sentence in here, and I can click on this little remove icon, and I can click on remove caption in video, and that's going to be removed from the video altogether. Now let's look at this menu in here. You have your captions option, and you can select, like I said before, between many different styles, even after you have processed the video. So you can absolutely do this, okay, guys? What you can do as well is you can upload like a specific image or video, so you can put it on top. This can be like, for example, your logo, okay, or some music maybe. But for music, you even have your dedicated section, which you can click in here, and this is going to give you a lot of like, copyright-free music inside of the platform that you can use, so you can just look for it. And you can even filter it by different types and things like that. But here's the feature that really sets Opus apart, in my opinion, is the B-roll AI, okay? If you're talking about money or cities for 60 seconds, it can get a little bit boring visually to just see this guy in here, right? So what you can do is you can add B-roll that is actually related to that specific thing that is being said on the clip. For this, you can click on auto-generate stock B-roll in here, and what it's going to do is going to analyze the script, and it's going to try to add different, by the way, copyright-free B-roll that is relevant to what's being said. Look what it has done. When the script says, the clear sky or the air looks ordinary, it has actually generated this kind of stock, okay, which is called sky. If you don't like this specific clip, you can just click it and you can search the library, okay, and you can just substitute it by clicking on it, okay, it's very simple. So this is pretty much it in terms of the editing, guys. When you're ready to finally export it and you're happy with the result, just click on export in here. And now you have many different options. You can just download the file, okay, and upload to YouTube manually. You can also export it as an XML file to Premiere or DaVinci Resolve. But the most interesting option and the most automatic is to publish it on social media by clicking on this little button here and synchronizing your social media accounts, okay? This is good because the AI will even write the caption and generate hashtags for you. And not only that, but you can schedule this clip to post to all 3 platforms at the same time, okay? So this is just a massive time saver in my opinion. So is it worth it? Opus Clip has a generous free trial for 7 days that is going to give you some credits. So this is perfect if you just want to test it out, and we have left a link in the description for that, okay? So remember to check that out. But it even has like a free plan that is gonna give you 60 credits per month, okay? And this is completely free, guys, so of course you can just do this. If you wanna have like higher limits, I recommend you upgrade to Pro plan. Because the Pro plan is gonna remove the watermark and it's gonna give you way more hours. This is essential if you're a podcast or an agency. Guys, let me be honest to you. If you're serious about growing on social media in 2025, you cannot afford not to use AI repurposing. It's simply too fast and too good to ignore, okay? So once again, remember to check the link in our description, and this is going to give you our free trial, okay? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.